confusion and major developments within the last few minutes in the impeachment trial of suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton.
Okay, let's try to sort through everything. Get straight to Ryan Chandler, who is joining us live from the Capitol. Firstly, Ryan, the prosecution rested their case tonight.
Britt, Daniel, that's right. We've just witnessed within the last 30 minutes what appears to be a mistake on behalf of the prosecution that could end up changing the trajectory of this entire trial. Essentially what happened is, with a witness on the stand, the lead prosecutor for the prosecution, Rusty Hardin, said we rest our case, meaning we're done with cross-examination. We don't have any more arguments left to make. We're done here. What he meant to say, I assume, is we passed the witness. He misspoke and later came to the presiding judge and said, we didn't mean to rest. We still have some points left to make. But the presiding judge, Dan Patrick, ended up saying, well, that's what you said. We can't go back now. And the defense supported him there. So now we're at an unexpected impasse where the prosecution is done with their witnesses. The defense still has a little more time left on the clock to make their case, but they ended up motioning to essentially throw out all of the charges altogether, to say that there was never enough evidence to begin with to consider these charges, and now senators are considering throwing them out on a simple majority vote. That would be a major change in this trial and could save the senators and Paxton from even getting to a vote on whether he is guilty or acquitted.
All right, so there's that, Ryan. But then earlier today, we anticipated testimony from the woman Paxton is accused of having an affair with. She sat at the Capitol for hours, but she didn't testify. Can you explain what happened there?
That's right. That seems like 3 days ago now, but she did come to the Capitol early this morning. This is a woman, Laura Alston, with whom Paxton is accused of having an extramarital affair that lasted for multiple years throughout the time that these impeachment articles were allegedly taking place. She was expected to testify this morning. It was delayed throughout the entire day, and then just around 5 o'clock or so, Dan Patrick comes out and says that the two sides have come to an agreement that she is, at the end of the day, unable to testify. The latest reporting shows that she had intended to simply plead the fifth, not offer any substantive testimony, so you can presume that the prosecution maybe didn't want to waste the limited time they have left on a bunch of fifths at the witness stand. So we do not expect to hear her perspective, even though she is a key character in these accusations of bribery and impropriety against Paxton.
All right, Ryan Chandler live for us. A lot to sort through this evening, and you can watch the entire Senate trial each day on our website, KXAN.com. Just check out the Paxton impeachment section.